Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are all doing really good. In today's video we are doing another Boxycharm unboxing. I'm trying to catch up so I can do them as soon as I get the box. I got the box last week and by the time you will see this it'll be a week after. So this month's box came in this shape with really good products. Like always, please know that this is a monthly membership that I subscribe to, which I only pay $20 or $21 a month, and you get 5 full-size makeup items. It could be makeup, it could be skincare, it could be brushes, a bunch of goodies, but it's all beauty related and it's a great subscription. In this month's box is Au Natural. I guess it's how you would say this. This month's box is all about all natural products. For the most part, these all look like, you know, natural products or recycled products, but I'm gonna get into it as I go along. I will talk to you guys about each item. Just remember that some of the stuff I won't be able to try because sometimes there's makeup removing wipes like there is right now. Sometimes there's like skincare like face mask and cleansers and stuff like that. I love to try all those stuff in my Insta story, so make sure you guys follow me on Insta story because that is where I try a lot of products that I don't try here on camera. So the first one I'm gonna talk to you guys about is this Butter of London. I'm sure you guys recognize the brand Butter of London. They make great nail polish, but they also have makeup. This is one of their eyeshadow palettes. Before I open it, let me tell you a little bit about it. This is the Butter of London Natural Goddess Eyeshadow Palette, serving queendom, realness. Bring out your inner goddess in the Butter of London Vibrant Natural Goddess Eyeshadow Palette. Enchant with 6 highly pigmented, long-lasting shades, whether you're feeling like a diva or a temptress. These cruelty-free shadows pair effortlessly to create imaginative looks that will make a powerful entrance. That is what I have on my eyes today. Let me give you guys a close-up. That is what I have on my eyes today. I will show you the colors that I have on, but I have the green, the gold, and this rose gold, and the champagne color on top. And I also have the brown, the real matte deep brown shadow. I used it as eyeliner. So this is basically the look that I created, and I also put it underneath my waterline. I did an inner eyeliner, which I typically never do, but ever since I had that eye procedure, I'm okay with doing inner eyeliner in my waterline because my eyes are just so different now. I feel like my eyes are just much more youthful, so I'm okay with doing eyeliner in my waterline. And I also went ahead and did the eyeshadow on the lower lash line. So the eyeshadows that I have on today are this champagne on my brow bone. I also have a mixture of the gold and the rose gold on my crease, like I showed you guys, on my crease. And then I have the green right here on the lower lash line. I also have the brown as my eyeliner, and I showed you guys, you know, the eyeliners are great. It's great to use eyeshadow as eyeliner if you have the right brush, you know, your angled brush. You can create an eyeliner with pretty much any eyeshadow, but I pretty much have all the colors except for this beautiful blue one, and this blue one is my favorite in the whole palette, so I'm definitely gonna create a color with this blue. I just wanted to take advantage and use most of the colors in the palette so you guys could see, you know, how they pair up. But this color is definitely a color that I'm interested in using real soon. So this eyeshadow palette from London, Butter London, is it's priced at $32. That right there is a lot more than the actual subscription. The next item is these beautiful Luxie, what seems to me recycled wood brushes. Luxie makes great brushes, makeup brushes, and you will see a lot of Luxie brushes in Boxycharm subscription. Like I have almost, you know, I have so many Luxie brushes thanks to Boxycharm. I've gotten them all from my subscription. And the Luxie brushes is a 3-piece set. Create a perfect look with your new eco-friendly Luxie brush set. Apply foundation with the Luxie 510 foundation brush. Blend your eyeshadow with the Luxie 250 large eye blending brush and precisely apply color to the crease with the Luxie 246 Precision Crease Brush. And that's these right here. It's a beautiful pink wooden brushes. I love these Luxie brushes, and the Luxie brushes retail for $30. Again, a lot more than the price of the subscription. The next one is this face mask. Yes, it's Elemis Superfood Vital Veggie Mask. And I have heard of Elemis skincare many times. They do make great products. This is a Superfood Vital Veggie Mask. Get a shot of green goddess with the treatment mask that nourishes, smooths, and brightens for softer, smoother, more radiant skin. This retails for $35. Definitely excited to try this. You have to refer to my Insta story because I will be trying this real soon. Let me open it up so you guys can at least see like the consistency of it. Oh yeah, it definitely smells like a shot of green. You know those green shots? Oh my god, it smells good. I really like it. It's nice and thick, creamy, and it's not so dark as far as, you know, I put a little bit on. I just wanted you guys to see, you know, the color and how it smelled. But oh my god, it smells amazing. I really cannot wait to try this. So that is that. And you know, this is $35. This is a lot. So this entire box, everything included in this month's box, it totals out to $132. So for $21 a month, that is not bad. You get all these amazing products. So as always, thank you so much for watching my video. Don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe on your way out, and I will see you in my next video. Thank you guys for watching.